If you're new to creating book covers, specifically fantasy book covers, and you're not sure how to begin, then this is the class for you. Hi, my name is Doni, and I'm a freelance illustrator and book cover designer based in Indiana. I've been designing book covers since 1999, but it wasn't until 2020 that I discovered the power of Procreate and how this little app has completely changed the way I design. In this class, I'll take you on a fantasy book journey. We'll talk about why fantasy novels are so popular right now. Then, I will show you why designing fantasy covers are so much fun to create. We'll go over certain design nuances in the fantasy genre, how to balance your layout and create a focal point on your cover using fonts and color to evoke powerful emotion, and finally, we'll move into creating the book cover together using a Procreate brush set. After we've created the layout, I will show you how to apply finishing touches to your design to really make it pop out. Whether you're an author seeking to learn how to design your own cover, or a graphic designer who's looking to expand your skills in the book cover design niche, this class is a great start into the diverse world of fantasy covers. After completing this project, I invite and challenge you to design and post your own fantasy cover using the brush set and techniques we discussed in this class. So grab your iPad and pencil, and let's get started.